Hello, children. I hope you all are well. So, we are going to do in active English. So, now, children, in active English, we are going to learn what is a sentence. We are going to learn what is a sentence. So, what is a sentence, children? A group of words which make complete sense and express our thoughts is a sentence. What is sentence? A group of words, children. Sentence is a group of words which make complete sense, which has a meaning, you can say, and it can express our thought, is called a sentence, okay. Okay, children. So a group of words which make complete sense and express our thoughts is a sentence. Okay. Now, children, every sentence starts with a capital letter. Okay. Every sentence starts with a capital letter and it ends with a full stop. It ends with a full stop. Like here we see this sentence is starting with the word a. So a is capital over here and it's ending with a full stop. Okay. Or it can end with a question mark. Likewise here. Okay. So every sentence, most of the sentence, they start with a capital letter and end with a full stop. And they end with a full stop. Okay. Now look at this example. Read what is written here. Radha is a girl. Okay, Radha is a girl. It means you come to know that Radha is a girl. Radha is a girl. It is a complete sentences which has a sense. Now here, Radha girl a is. Radha girl a is. This is also a sentence, but it is not making a sense. So we cannot call it a proper sentence or a sentence. So Radha girl is, this is not a sentence because it is not making any sense. Okay. Whereas Radha is a girl is a sentence which is making a sense. Okay. So in this chapter, today we are going to do chapter number 29 and 30. Now we are going to learn more about the sentences. Okay, we are going to learn more about the sentences. So look here. Write the sentences near the picture. Write the sentences near the picture. So first is, she is waiting for a bus. She is waiting for a bus. They are riding in a car. They are riding in a car. She is walking along the river. She is walking along the river. He is pointing to the aeroplane. He is pointing to the aeroplane. She is cutting the cake with a knife. She is cutting the cake with a knife. He is giving the book to the teacher. He is giving the book to the teacher. Now children, here are few sentences, but they are not in order. You have to look at some of the pictures. I will show you some pictures and you have to tell which sentence will come here. Okay. Now look here, look at this picture. Which sentence will you write here? What is this boy doing? He is pointing to the aeroplane. He is pointing to the aeroplane. He is pointing to the aeroplane. Next, there is a girl or a woman. What is she doing? She is waiting for a bus. 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 Now, in this picture you can see a car and some people are riding in the car. So, they are riding in a car. They are riding in a car. They are riding in a car. Here you can see a girl. She is walking along the river. 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 Okay. Now, look at this picture. What is she doing? She is cutting the cake with a knife. She is cutting the cake with a knife. She is cutting the cake with a knife. Okay. Now here, what is this boy giving? He is giving the book to the teacher. He is giving the book to the teacher. He is giving the book to the teacher. So children, this was all about chapter number 29 and 30. You revise it well again. Okay? Till then, take care.